Alright, I'm going to go over your navigation here. So before I get started, I wanted to cover how to change it from this drop down to the horizontal list. So that's done under your customizer. So you click customize in the top left, and you go under header and navigation type. You'll see right at the top there's an option to change it if you want to change it from horizontal to the open layout. So to change it horizontal, this is kind of what it would look like by default. And if you want to remove those the border radius, just scroll down and remove the border radius. And then if you want to remove the background color, just go back and under navigation styles, just adjust or just remove the background colors. And so that is going to be how you can have the menu be like so. So I think for the restaurant and photography, this is what we used. Just kind of wanted to cover that if you wanted to have a menu like that on your site. Now, of course, if you want to do the opposite, you would just do change it back to the open vertical layout. And then under styles, you would just throw in a color for each of these areas, and etc. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and leave the page. And we'll just go over the default one for now. I just kind of wanted to touch on that since I knew it would be a common question. So let's actually edit our menu. And to do that, we're going to go under Appearance and Menus. And let's go ahead and create a new menu since it'll be a little more useful if we start from scratch. So let's go to New Menu Example. Let's create the menu. And then now we have to tell our theme to use this menu. So under Manage Locations, under Primary Menu, go ahead and select your new menu. Click Save Changes, and I'm going to actually open this in a new tab so we can tab back and forth. So if we do that, you'll notice when you hover it's blank since we haven't added any pages. So let's go ahead and add some pages. If we click Edit Menus, we see our blank new menu example we've created, and we can just start adding some pages by selecting them and clicking Add to Menu. Once we've done that, go to click Save Menu, and now when we refresh our site, you'll see we have ourselves the menu set up. So, and to create drop downs is really easy as well. So to create a drop down, all you have to do is select the menu item you want to drop down, and if you drag it to the right, it'll automatically snap to indent. So you'll see Shop and About Me are now in a drop down under About Us. So if I save the menu, we refresh it, and you click on that, you can see we have ourselves a drop down. So it's really easy to create drop downs. And then let's go ahead and create, let's say you wanted to have an icon, or to see more options, just click this drop down item, or this little down arrow I mean. And you can do things like adding an icon or removing your menu item. So if you want an icon, go ahead and click on the link, close out that pop-up, and you can add any of these icons to your site. So for instance, let's say we wanted to add this crop icon. All you need to do is type crop into the menu icon and save it. And when we refresh the page, you'll see that our home button will have a little crop icon. And you can add those to any of these menu items on your site.